recording? Why isn't it recording? Now, there we go, Oki. It's the 25th of August 2011. Oscar's just turned 10 months old and has just discovered a new skill. Up you get, buddy. You ready? Hang on tight. Balance up a little bit. You ready? Go. You concentrate on what you're doing, don't watch me. You run into that, you can't go anywhere else. You come this way. You ready? You ready? Stand up nice and tight. Go. Come on, Oki, good boy. He's a clever little boy. What are you doing with it there? Alright, do you want to turn around and go back the other way? Go back this way. Alright, you got it? Now what? You ready? Go. Good boy. Good boy.